So ayun guys, so pagkatapos kong bumili ng pagkain ko sa labas, so babalik na ako sa aking hotel kung saan ako naka-check-in. So by the way guys, nandito ako ngayon sa may Red Doors sa malapit po sa bus terminal ng Olongapo City. So guys, every time na nag-visit ako sa isang lugar, like if I go to Visayas or Mindanao, I always check on very affordable accommodation, and I usually used Red Doors Hotel kasi marami silang properties sa buong Pilipinas, in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and very affordable rates talaga. So for me naman kasi hindi ako maarte. So as long as okay naman yung kwarto, very comfortable for me to sleep, and then malinis yung CR, and aircon of course, that's already okay for me. So bonus na lang po if my budget, extra budget, and then yung mas maganda-gandang hotel yung ating tutuluyan. But most of the time talaga, I used Red Doors. So, para malaman yung mga properties nila, so you can always check in their mobile application, or you can also check their website. So, nandito ako sa third floor, sa room 305. So, medyo makalat lang yung aking kwarto guys, kasi before I went out para bumili ng pagkain, nakahiga na ako dyan since na I checked in around 2 p.m. So, ayun guys, ito yung aking kwarto. So, it's sulit na for the amount I paid for Red Doors. So, I made the booking online and I paid the booking online. So, yun lang muna. Bye-bye for now.